My fellow comic book collectors, this is going to be another unboxing video. So I got a bunch of comics here. I'm just going to open it up and see what's inside. Hopefully it's some Golden Age or Silver Age. I have a bunch of orders. I have no idea which order this is. So I'm hoping it's the Golden Age stuff that I ordered. But you never know. We'll see what it is. It might be some modern stuff. I'm expecting a bunch of comics that are future state orientated. So keep on, every time I do these videos, I always say, oh, I think it might be future state. I don't know if it's future state or what it's going to be. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, this is a modern comic. It's once I can open it. This is one of those cases where I won an auction really at a good price. No one else bid on it, and it was like I got it basically for entry bid. Okay. So this is like a Miss Marvel collection. This is the variant number 2. And this is the number 6. This is like number 7 and number 9, number 10, oops, there, and number 12. So it's like how they numbering this, but okay, it's a little bit odd. Number 13 and number 15. Number 18 and number 16. Now I think there's one comic in between each of these. I'm not sure. It's kind of strange. Yeah, there's 3 comics inside each. So basically it's numbers 2 to 18. So I think there was 19 issues in the whole series. So that's a little collection that I bought. I'm not sure if it was sent to Greatest, but yeah, so it was a little collection of Miss Marvel comics. Yeah, it's a comic that I'm enjoying. It's very simple concept. It kind of reminds me of the old Spider-Man a bit in terms of like, you know, a teenager having issues with life in general and then being burdened with that extra trouble of having superpowers, and how do you deal with managing both of those two worlds. So it's kind of interesting comic. So yeah, that's been my quick unboxing. Actually, I got one more comic, so there's a bit of a bonus in here. This came in the mail. You'll see. Look at that. It came in the mail. It's a Mr. Miracle number 15, but they totally bent it. It's like a little bit destroyed. So I'll probably have to complain. I hate complaining, but yeah, it kind of got mangled. So that's one of those things. Some people just don't pack it properly, and it was just really between 2 pieces of cardboard and like in a mailer. So yeah, it didn't survive. So sometimes you have to be a little bit, I don't know. If you use thicker cardboard, you can get a better mailing, but some people just don't do that, and you get what you get. So fortunately, it's not an expensive comic. It's like a $5-10 comic, but it's always disappointing to get a comic when it's ruined in the mail. So that's been my quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks. Bye for now.